Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq Scalping bot. In this channel, we look at my progress of the bot, a Python program, my first Python program, and the target of this bot is to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq to get some passive income. And in a daily report, I tell you guys and I show you guys what I did and how the bot did for today. And for today, I think we got a very short one again, because there was not much going on the market, although the market was rather ups and downs, but for the bot, it was not interesting enough. So let's take a look what happened today. So let's start with the code. And if we look at the code, I'm going to show you the things that I changed today, not today, yesterday. And that is that I added the functions buy MACD and sell MACD would not only return true if the session line's MACD is larger than 9, but also the MACD line should be larger than the signal line plus a half, and for the sell, of course, the opposite. The MACD line should be smaller than the signal line minus a half. So I added those two functions, and they give back a true or a false. So I add this two to check if there is a reasonable buy MACD or sell MACD. And if one of those is true, not if, but this going to be true, that one going to be true, then if there is a buy when the market is normal, then first check if the MACD is reasonable to get a buy, or the MACD is reasonable to get a sell. So that's what I added for doing a buy or a sell, and that is also what I added now in the percentage change, because sometimes he did do a percentage change buy or sell without checking for the MACD. And the check 3 candles percentage, look right here, you can see that I added and session MACD and signal line, and this one as well, add and session flow MACD, etc. So I implemented some changes in the code with checking for the MACD, because we saw yesterday that especially the 3 candle percentage buy and sell did a lot of damage, because the market was going up and down, but not going up and down far enough, long enough to actually do a reasonable buy or a sell, even with a percentage change. And that did a lot of damage yesterday. We lost almost 100, and that's not good. So I changed this for today to be sure that this won't happen. And if we're going to look at the market, not at the market, if we're going to look at the code down here, the printouts, we see a lot of printouts with, for example, this one, the last change is 5.5 times it's 25. So there should be a buy or a sell. I don't know if it's a buy or sell No, I don't know it. But because the MACD wasn't there, this was not executed. And that's good. That's what we wanted. So those were the changes on the code for today. Then let's take a short look at the bot. And if we look at the bot, we see that the bot had 262 candles. I restarted the bot at 9:36 this morning, and we had a total profit of 0.0. The bot has no other color, so nothing happened. There was no pickup for a buy or a sell. So the bot did what it should do, and that was it for this part. For the final part, let's take a look at the market. And if we look at the market, we see we had a slow day. And that's good. Not good for the market, but good that we had a slow day. But also there were ups and downs. And the bot did not, like yesterday, did not pick those 3 candles up or 3 candles down like this one, did not pick them up. And so we did not make any losses today after the correction. And the only problem we had was this morning, early in the morning, late at night, that we had something like this, and the bot told me it was a breakout sell. Hey, what? Yeah, it's not that I was awake at this point, but I saw it this morning that he gave it a breakout sell, and this is not a breakout sell. It's just going down. That's it. And if we look at the report for today, we see that that breakout sell cost us 10 euros, but for the rest of the day, there were no positions opened, so we did not make any profit, and we did not make any losses, and that's how it should be when the market is slow. And that was it for today. It's a short one, I know, because there's nothing much to tell. Changes in the code, MACD, bot functions good, and there was nothing to see on the market, no wins, no losses. So we're done for today. And I hope you liked it. And if you did, then press a like. And if you want to see more of this, please subscribe. And if you want to talk to me about the bot, you can leave a comment, of course. Always welcome a comment. And if you want to talk more about the bot and really want to ask me questions about how I did something, then you can join me at my Discord channel. There is a Discord channel, and you can find the link in the description. So that's good for your communication with me. And if the bot functions better, maybe you want to copy its decisions. And if you want to, then you need the Twitch link also in the description, because I have also a Twitch channel. And if you feel that you should support me, support is always welcome, but I don't expect anyone to actually do this. But if you want, there is also a Patreon link in the description. And that's all for today. And all I have to say is have a little fun every day. See you guys tomorrow.